Hi and welcome. Today I'm gonna be solving all these Rubik's cubes here. This one a 3x3, a 2x2, a 2x2, a 3x3, a 3x3, a tiny 3x3, and a pyramids, and a 3x3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes. And let's get started. And here I have a timer to see how fast I'm gonna be. We're going to start with the pyramids. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Remember to smash that like button down below. And subscribe. This is probably my worst pyramids time ever. Okay, finally done with it. 44 seconds. And now the 3x3. And now I'm on 1 minute and 8 and 0 seconds. And done with this one. 1 minute and 27 seconds. Wait. There, 4 solved in 1 minute and 52 seconds. And we're on the tiny Rubik's Cube. It's so tough. There. And that's done. No, the 2 times 2 is to the left. Okay. 2 minutes. That this one done. Now the last 3 times 3, and then we go to 2 times 2. Another 2 times 2. There. And that was 3 minutes and 17 seconds, 0.938. So pretty fast for all these Rubik's cubes here. And this one. Yeah, and remember to like and subscribe, and that was the video for today.